What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. If you guys are like me, looking for other options, right? Other options that are not these big headphones that you put on your head for your streams or whatever that end up giving you a headache because of the pressure of that band hitting the sides of your head, then you're going to be excited for this video because we're going to be talking about the One More triple driver in-ear buds. These things, from what I've read, are fantastic, and you can pick them up on Amazon for about $65. So we're going to do a quick unboxing, see what comes in this box. The packaging looks really nice, and then we're going to give them a good old sound test with different types of music and some gaming as well. Now, I do want to say this video is not sponsored by One More, but if you are someone who is getting into streaming and that's why you clicked on this, you're looking for a way to comfortably stream for a few hours without getting headaches from big headphones, then you might like the actual sponsor of this video, Owned.tv. Owned.tv is your one-stop shop for fresh new graphics for your stream. Whether you're on Twitch, YouTube, or Kick, you'll find something that's a perfect fit for your channel. They offer full themed overlay packages, which are great if you're trying to give your stream a complete makeover, but let's say you're looking to pick up some new alert graphics, don't worry, because they've got you covered there too. You can find single graphics such as alerts, emotes, banners, panels, and logos as well. And one of the best parts about these overlays is that they are completely modular. So if you and your friends all pick up the same overlay, such as this Rodan one right here, you could change the colors and tweak it to match your brand, and none of you will have the exact same overlay. If you're looking to take your stream to the next level, be sure to check out Own.tv using my link below to support the channel. And don't forget, use code HAMMER at checkout for an additional 50% off your order. Now, back to the video. All right, guys, so we're going to switch to my top-down camera. I'm using the Insta360 link, and we're going to do a quick unboxing of these headphones. All right, so here we go. We have the packaging. It almost looks like a book. It's really nice, very heavy-duty, nice metal plating on the side. So let's open it up. It opens up like a book as well. Really cool diagram here showing how they're created, like the internals of each earphone. Looks really nice. This is really premium packaging, which is definitely a good sign, right? So looks like there's a plastic coating here over the earbuds themselves. So we'll take that off. We'll set it aside. So now let's pull them out. So under this little flap, we have the wire, and then the earbuds themselves are kind of secured in here. We can kind of just pull that out, and there we go. Wow, these are really nice. They actually feel really high quality. Like, they feel solid. It just feels like solid metal. Very light, but very dense. Like it's hard to explain. Just feels pretty durable. Feels like it has a really good build quality. The wire itself is a little bit thin on the top side where they split off, and then the bottom side looks like it's almost like a braided cable, a little bit thicker. And then we have the controls here, obviously volume, you have your microphone. So let's see what else is inside this box. Set those aside, put this back here, pop this out. All right, look at this. So it looks like we have maybe a little carrying case in here. Yep, a little carrying case that says One More, very cool. Throw that back in because you guys know me, I don't really leave the house, so I won't be using that, but cool to have nonetheless. Put that back in here, and then this, pretty sure is an adapter. Yes, it is. So if we open this up, this is a USB-C to 3.5 millimeter jack adapter. You'd be able to plug this in there and then plug this into your phone if it uses USB-C. Or laptop, or whatever it is that you want to use this for. Very nice that they include this little adapter, though. That is a pretty nice touch to the package. And then over here on the right hand side, it looks like we have a ton of tips. It looks like they give us a 14.5 millimeter, a 13 millimeter, 12 millimeter, an 11 meter, and a 10 millimeter silicone tips. And then we have 3 pairs of foam tips, an 11 millimeter, 12 millimeter, and 12.8. So really nice that they include some foam tips there as well. I know that's all pretty much preference. Everyone has a different preference when it comes to silicone or foam tips. I prefer the foam tips, but a lot of people think that the silicone ones are more comfortable for longer periods of time. And then in here, let's see what's in this. This is just the paperwork. So we won't even open that. Don't need to look at that right now. Okay, so let's get the right tips on these things and take them for a test drive. Okay, so they absolutely slap when it comes to EDM music. Very good when it came to like metal and rock. Really good for hip hop. I didn't try like jazz or anything like that, but they sound fantastic, and they're so much bassier than I thought they were going to be. Like, they actually rival my big Beyerdynamic DT 1990s in terms of bass. Like, really, really solid bass, very punchy. The high ends were very clear. So now the next test is to test these for gaming, right? Because a lot of people want to use these for gaming and streaming. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to boot up Escape from Tarkov. We're going to play a match of Escape from Tarkov with these. Now, keep in mind, I am used to using my Beyerdynamic DT 1990s or my 990 Pros. That's what I'm used to. I'm looking for that level of quality. I want to be able to hear footsteps from really, really far away. I also want to be able to monitor what my audience is hearing, right? These are going to be used for streaming, right? They're plugged into a Go XLR. So I want to be able to make sure that what I'm hearing is exactly what my audience is hearing. And this is going to be that test for when I'm gaming. Okay, so far, they sound fantastic. You know what? Let's see. Take my helmet off, see if they sound any different. I mean, they sound really good to me. Let's go back outside and listen to the rain. Like, I could hear... Let me hear what gunshots sound like. Oh, it's really coming down. Can't find a single scav. That's okay though. We could just test out the gun sounds here. Sounds really clean. Sounds almost identical actually to my big headphones. Let's see what a sniper shot sounds like. Sounds really good. I'm very impressed with the quality of sound from these earbuds, to be honest. So I've tested a bunch of IEMs, like in-ear monitors before, and a ton of headphones, but I've never tested just like just in-ear buds like this. I think I'm a fan. They are like so much clearer than I thought they were going to be. I'll be honest with you. I thought they were going to sound like a beefier pair of like AirPods or like iPod headphones. But they definitely have the quality that an audiophile would be looking for. All right, so there we have it. I'll be honest with you guys. These are fantastic in-ear buds. I will definitely be able to use these for gaming and for streaming. They're very comfortable in your ears. Like they kind of, you just, you know, pop them in and you really kind of forget they're there, and they're very, very immersive. So if you were using the foam tips, they'd be even more immersive because the foam expands in your ear canal and kind of really isolates the noise that you're hearing from inside the buds themselves. But even the silicone tips, the default ones that were on, I'm using those, and Escape from Tarkov sounded fantastic. I would have no issues playing with these. And as far as the music goes and being able to hear myself in my microphone, monitoring like what my stream would be hearing, A+. So I would say that under $100 for 65 bucks, these are the best in-ear buds you're probably going to get, right? And again, this video is not sponsored by them. I picked these up on my own accord. I wanted to test them out because people just can't stop talking about them. They're triple driver, and it really does make a difference. It sounds fantastic. The quality of the sound you get out of these is going to actually blow you away the first time you hear them. And yeah, I can't say enough good things about them, especially for the price point. These are fantastic. And if you're looking for a good pair of in-ear headphones, I don't think you're going to beat this for the price. So that's really all I've got for you today. So subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next time I post a video. Come hang out on my stream, twitch.tv/hammerdance. I stream Monday through Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern time. But anyways, guys, that's all I've got for you. So I want you to keep those hammers up. I'll see you next time.